Have you ever stumbled upon a snack that's not just delicious but also a total game changer? Let me introduce you to the ultimate munching experience. Super garlic mix with a medley of mixed nuts. Picture this. You're hanging out with your friends, the vibe is just right, and you want something that not only satisfies those cravings but also spark some fun conversations. Enter the super garlic mix. The 400-gram pack is bursting with flavor and crunch, making it the perfect companion for your next get-together. Now, let's talk about the magic of garlic. It's not just a flavor bomb. It's a conversation starter. Imagine your friends taking the first bite, their eyes lighting up as they experience the savory goodness. You'll be sharing stories, laughing, and maybe even debating whether garlic should be on its own food group. And the mixed nuts? Oh, they're the cherry on top. And the combination of the crunchy almonds, cashews, and walnuts perfectly complements the bold garlic flavor. It's like a party in your mouth, and everyone's invited. So next time you're planning a hangout, don't forget to grab a pack of super garlic mix with mixed nuts. Trust me, it will be the highlight of your snack table, and you'll be a friend who brings the best treat. Get ready for some unforgettable moments and delicious bites. Who's ready to dive into this flavor adventure? Let's go!